blower, you probably shouldn't buy used. ECHP PB 255LN. As you'll notice, this cover is unique. Coils go bad a decent amount of times, and it's all hex screws. Torx is you can get in and out quicker. Hex bits get stuck in there and have to go in deep enough. It's about half hour, 40-minute job at least, and there's tons of screws you got to take out for that. So this would be my stay away from, if you can, use blower. Okay, if it works, it's going to work for a little bit. This one worked for about 30-40 times maybe, and it'll start when it's cold, but after it's warmed, 10-20 minutes of working, it won't start. Okay, we're going to try to start this. One got gas in it. Power bulb, as you can see, it's got gas. It was just used 20 minutes ago for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So this is definitely one to avoid.